We already know what the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra will look like and what features they will have. We also know when Samsung plans to launch its upcoming high-end smartphones. Now, unit pricing for the Galaxy S24 series has leaked, revealing that the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 phone will be slightly less expensive than their predecessors. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, will be more expensive than the Galaxy S23 Ultra. According to a leak, the Galaxy S24 will start at €899 for the 128GB version and €959 for the 256GB version. The Galaxy S24 Plus will be priced at €1,149 for the 256GB version and €1,269 for the 512GB version. Priced at €1,449 for the 256GB version and €1,569 for the 512GB version, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is reported to be. There would also be a 1TB version of the phone, but pricing has not yet been released. In contrast, the Galaxy S23 had a beginning price of €949 in Europe, while the Galaxy S23 Plus had a starting price of €1,199. When the phone first debuted earlier this year, the Galaxy S23 Ultra was priced at €1,399 for the 256GB version. Due to differing taxes in different European nations, costs would, of course, fluctuate slightly. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will be slightly less expensive than its predecessors, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be more expensive. Pricing for the US market might be cheaper, but we'll know for sure until the phones are announced. With leaked pricing data of the next Samsung Galaxy S24 series, it's clear that the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus will be more affordable, while the S24 Ultra will be more expensive. What criteria do you consider most when upgrading to a new smartphone as a customer, and do you believe these price differences correlate with the features and advancements given by the Galaxy S24 lineup? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.